Hello friends. So today we will try to solve these three questions. So this is our input table customer orders and we can see three columns here. First is order ID, then customer ID and then the sales amount for this customer ID and order ID combination. So we have to write queries for these three questions. So first is total sales, second is maximum sales amount per customer and third is total sales and count of orders per customer. So we'll solve these queries one by one. So the first one is very easy. It just asks for the total sales. What we will do? Select sum of amount from customer orders. And this is total amount. So if I run this query, we can see that the total sales amount is 14,200. So if we sum all these values, we will get this answer. So this is very easy and straightforward. Now try to solve the second question, maximum sales amount per customer. So here what we will do, we have to write select customer ID and maximum of amount for each customer as max amount from customer orders. But now since here we are doing aggregation and along with that we are selecting one more column. So this we have to use in group by clause, group by customer ID. So now if we run this query, we will see the uh, individual maximum amount for each customer. So if we run this query also, then we can see that for customer ID 1, we can see three records out of which maximum is 3000. For 102, the maximum is 1500. For 103, it is 2200. So this is the answer for second query. Now third query we have to see, can we solve this in one query itself? So we have to find the total sales and count of orders per customer. So total sales per customer will be like here we found out the maximum sales amount for each customer. Now if we want to find out the total sum, instead of max we can write sum. So let's do this thing. Select customer ID, sum of sales, sum of amount as total amount from customer orders group by customer ID. If I run this query, we can see total amount. Here what we did, we have selected the maximum amount. Here we are selecting the total amount but for each customer. In the first query it was the total amount for the complete table. Here it is for individual customer. But along with that we have to find the count of orders also. The count of order means for this customer ID 1 we can see there are three records. That means there are three orders. And for customer ID 2 there are two records. For customer ID 3 there are two records. So we can do this in the same query. What we can do, count of order ID. Just this one more clause we have to add as order count. The rest thing remains same because we have already added the group by. So if we run this thing, we can see that the count of order for customer ID 1 is 3, for 102 it is 2, and for 103 the custom number of orders is 2. So in the same query we can use both this aggregation. So in this way we can select solve all